Alright, so today I want to discuss the next class that I just finished, D459, Systems Thinking and Applications. So this class goes over how to think about the overall picture, which is becoming increasingly important for software developers, software engineers, especially with AI coming in and AI being able to write a lot of the code. Software engineers are primarily being, uh, their roles are transitioning more into overseeing the AI and putting the pieces together, kind of like an architect, just overseeing the bigger project and the bigger picture. So systems thinking primarily talks about that, how to think about the broader picture in a project, and to think in structures instead of thinking about just the one task at hand, thinking about the broader perspective. So that's systems thinking. Very easy class. It took me about, I'd say, probably like 2 days. So it is 3 performance-based assessments. So a lot of it's just answering questions about certain concepts, and then just filling in the questions. There is no word count. You just answer the questions in detail and give your best explanations for each question. Now, each assignment has you pick a scenario that they have for you. They have different scenarios, and then whichever one is the most interesting to you, that's the one that you'll discuss for your performance assessment, and then answer questions regarding that scenario, applying what you have learned from the class, from the course material, and applying it to that scenario. So that's for all 3 performance-based assessments. So strategy, and this one, the textbooks were very dry. Not like the textbooks at all that are presented in the course material. I mainly just skimmed through those, and then if it was interesting, I'd read it more in depth. But for the most part, I just skimmed through it. I didn't really read it. For this, I primarily just had AI explain the concepts to me. I just used Copilot, and that was more than sufficient, really. So overall rating, again, very straightforward class. It's a part of the general education class, but unfortunately, study.com or Sophia didn't have one for this particular gen ed class. But if you already have an associate degree, then you would already have this class fulfilled. But anyways, for overall rating, I give this a 2 out of 10. Very straightforward. Obviously, not as easy as the prompt class, but still very easy. There's not much that needs to be said for this class. Pretty straightforward. But that's all I got for systems thinking. The next one will be Intro to Computer Science. That's also a pretty straightforward class. I'm currently studying for it right now. And yeah, I should have that video in probably, well, I'm going to highball it, probably say 4 days tops. Yeah, that'll be the next video. Again, easy class, straightforward. You shouldn't have issues with this one. Yeah, talk soon.